How to log in Amazon Prime with another account. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can log into your Amazon Prime Video with another account. So make sure to watch the video till the end. If you would like to switch your account on the Prime Video app, because let's say you have an account logged in already, which is your main Amazon account, but now let's say you want to switch or log out or log into another account, it's quite very simple. After you open the app, tap the profile icon from the top right hand side of the screen. Then you'll find the gear icon again, which is the settings icon. Tap on that icon again and you will see this type of interface here. Once you see here, you just need to scroll down and just look for the option called My Account, right? So when you go to My Account, now you'll find the option called Sign Out. So all you have to do now is to simply tap on the little sign out button here. Then you can tap on Sign Out. Now when you sign out of this account, you'll be taken back to the login page, which you can use to log into another account. And that's all it takes to log into Amazon Prime with another account. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you for watching till the very end and see you soon in the next video.